한국과 인도와 한국뿐만 아니라 또 한국과 아삼주와의 관계가 더 협력 관계가 더 강화될 걸로 확신합니다.
I'm most certain that aside from strengthening the cooperation between South Korea and India, also South Korea's and Assam states' cooperation will be more strengthened by this time.
Assam is known for hydrocarbon. Assam is also known for its strength in production of tea. And of course, Assam is also a very important tourism destination in our country, having 3 UNESCO heritage sites. Decade, our economy was growing at 12.5%, and in the year 2023, we have seen a growth of 19% in our economy.
그래서 작년 동기만 보더라도 아산주는 11.5%의 성장률을 기록했고 2023년에는 19%의 성장률을 기록했습니다.
Last year, there is a very important milestone we have achieved. World's biggest OSAT facility in semiconductor is being set up in Assam by the Tata Group. Produce 48 million chips. It will be the largest OSAT on semiconductor industry in entire globally.
세계에서 가장 큰 반도체 제조시설로 성장하게 될 것으로 보입니다.
So we want to strengthen our semiconductor ecosystem. We have said we are in process of setting up that OSAT facility, but